G'day, I'm Ray Heron. This is a Suzuki DL1050, also known as the VStrom 1050. It's the XT model. It's a great bike, factory crash protection. It's got ABS, traction control, rider modes, well they call it SDMS. We're getting ready for a road trip, and today I'm going to show you how to put a Ventura EVO rack on the back of one of these so we can carry a pack and be away laughing, ready to go. Alright, it's a really easy job on this one too, so let's dive into it. Right, so that's the supports on. Now we just got to put the rack on. This is the EVO rack. You can have it facing backwards, more weight over the back end of the bike, or you can take it off, flip it around if you're not going to have a pillion, and have the weight forward. Most people will be familiar with the original Ventura rack, which had a big vertical loop. The EVO system, all the bags go on horizontally. So the Ventura EVO system is such a great system. It's very versatile. When you don't want to have a bag on here, you've got a very low profile rack mount. You can put things on here and strap them down nice and easily. As far as packs go, we've got three choices. We've got the EVO 12 Jetstream, nice and small. We've got the EVO 22 Jetstream, a little bit bigger. Generally I use this when I'm going away for an overnighter. And the EVO 60 Jetstream, which is absolutely massive and expandable. So all I need to do, slide this on, do the clips up at the back, tighten them down, and that is a massive pack. But if we want to make it bigger, want to take the kitchen sink on the trip with us, we undo the expansion zip, and suddenly the pack gets even bigger again. Now if you can't fit everything you want to take on the bike in that, I think you're taking too much stuff.